Hello, this brief video tutorial will walk you through the steps of how to upload an Elevate Program Plan, or an EPP, to your registry account so that it can be reviewed for verification by a Service Navigator. First, start by logging into your personal registry account with your registry username or email address used for your account and password. If you are a program administrator and/or family child care owner, be sure you have applied for and been approved for administrative access to use your program's tools. For family child care users, please remember that you also have access to a mobile version of Registry and can access the program tools from there as well. Administrative access on the mobile version is only available for family child care users. And though you can access the tools on a smartphone, please remember that your best viewing of the program tools will always be on a larger screen using the full web version. Once logged in, you will need to go to the left side menu and select Program Administration. Once in this menu, select Program File Manager, the last link under Administration. Please remember that anytime you are submitting an EPP, it is considered a program file document and will be submitted and housed under the Program Administration File Manager, not under Participant Documents. Now scroll down and click Upload New Document. Next, you will need to select a document category. For your Elevate Program Plan, you will need to choose Accreditation and Governance. This is where all EPPs are housed, regardless of whether or not your program is accredited or will become accredited. Next, under Document Type, you will select Elevate Program Plan. Now you are ready to choose your file. Click Choose File. This will open a file browser and allow you to search for the document as saved to your computer or device. Simply find your EPP, select it, and click Open. Now you will see it next to Choose File. Click Upload Document or Upload File. Once you have successfully uploaded your document, you should get a pop-up and then an email telling you that the document has been received by the system. If you have any trouble uploading your document, you can contact your regional registry advisor. This contact information can be found on the Contact Us portion of the registry website as you see down below. Please note, once you've uploaded your EPP, you should see it down in this list of current files. It will be given a system-generated name that includes the type of document, EPP, and the date it was submitted. Please allow at least 2 weeks for your EPP to be reviewed. Once your document has been reviewed by a Service Navigator, you will receive another system-generated email notifying you if it has been verified, denied, or identifying if something else is needed from you to process the document. If your EPP is denied, this email will indicate the reason why. You also may view your documents and status by going back to the Program Administration tab and back into the Program File Manager. Just a reminder that there are helpful screenshots and tips about uploading documents. You can find these before you log in under Updates and after you log in under My Resources, General Information, and Submit Documentation. If you have any questions about creating your initial annual Elevate program plan or in revising a denied EPP, please reach out to your regional service navigator. That information can be found by visiting the Elevate section of our OEC website. I hope you have found this tutorial helpful. We look forward to your participation in Elevate, Connecticut's quality improvement system.